Hello guys, thank you for watching Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so to this video I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. It's another small box. Small packet. Okay. So this is it. It's Blu-ray. Oh my god, Midsummer Murders. So I love this thing, this program. Oh, so this is 19, series 19, part 1. Oh, so this is the new one. This is the latest.
No.
Oh.
The reason why I got this is that in this country they're only releasing them on DVD and not Blu-ray for some reason.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why. This
So,
is probably
but this
from
is
America.
Blu-ray.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
I think it's from America.
Oh, so you got it from America. So
I
there
got it from Amazon, but I think
it's
imported it from America. And this was the only one reasonably priced. It was £9 something. All the others are like £35 and more.
Really?
I don't know why this one was.
Seems a big difference.
Yeah. I don't know why this one was so cheap. So
Yeah.
I got it.
Are you sure it's not second hand?
No, it's not.
So it's a new one because it's plastic, guys. It's wrapped in plastic, so it means
only 4 episodes. So
4 episodes.
yeah.
Oh yeah. So the first one is the village that rose from the dead, and then the second one is crime and punishment. Third one is last man out, and the fourth one is red in tooth and claw. There. So there's four episodes.
Yeah.
Also, this is 2 discs.
Yeah. So
There's
2
2
on
discs.
each.
2 each. Yeah.
Usually about hour and a half each episode.
So there is bonus at the end of this 28 minutes bonus.
That's good.
Yeah. So this is very good. So this is Acorn. It's the first time I see this Acorn.
Yeah, I think it's probably an American company.
Oh right. Okay. Yeah, that's right.
I don't know why on earth they don't release them on Blu-ray in the UK. It's a British series.
So this is yeah, that's right. It's British series. Yeah.
And they only release it in poor quality DVD rather than Blu-ray here. Doesn't make sense.
So this is part 1. So there must be part 1 first series because this is series 19.
Yeah, so that's probably a part 2 series 19 as well. Some more episodes.
Oh. Yeah. So this is very good. I think we haven't seen this yet. But I think I remember her. Because we watch most of these things, guys. Like we like watching these, and this is one of our favorite thing to watch. So because it's not that very violent thing, so it's okay. It's nice. It's watchable.
Who done it?
Yeah, and it's there's no like certificate thing.
No, it's not British.
Oh,
the Blu-ray is not British. The series is.
Oh right, okay.
Americans don't have certificates on Blu-rays and DVDs.
Oh right. So I thought there is like certificate. So this is just TV thing. So it's not the film, is it? It's not the movie. If it's the movie, there is a certificate thing.
Not necessarily if it's American.
Oh.
In Britain, they have to have certificates.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, but who knows who watch it? Yeah. So that's guys. So what's his name again? I forgot.
Neil Dudgeon.
Neil Dudgeon. Yeah. And this is
Yes, the second Barnaby, the cousin.
yeah, Barnaby. I know him as Barnaby, but I don't know his real name. And this one
Can't
is
remember his name. They've changed so many times. The
Neil
assistant, so
Dudgeon. Yeah. Nick Hendricks?
yeah, that would be it.
Yeah. Because they changed several times as well, is it?
Yeah.
Because this one is different from that one. This.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because there are two, is it? I remember.
There's been about 5 different ones, I think, since the series started.
Oh, but
Around 26
these two,
years ago.
but these two are the longest one. Who done the series? Is it the longest? I think
Possibly.
because
I'm
they are the
not-
one I remember.
I'm not too sure.
Yeah. So this is England. So welcome to England's most murderous country, not country. This is only fiction, guys. It's not real anyway. But this is nice. I love this. We love this, guys. You should watch it as well. And once you watch one episode, then you'll be hooked. You will want to watch more and more and more.
If they like whodunits.
Yeah, because we like interesting videos like that whodunit and finding who the killer is. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. So this is the unboxing for today. This Midsummer Murders. So thank you guys for watching and see you on my next video. Thank you. Love, love, love.